Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: VS Code installed, an accessible SQL server, and credentials. Once those are ready, install the Microsoft SQL Server extension in VS Code. This extension provides the connection UI and query runner. Make sure the server allows TCP connections and remote access, because without that you cannot connect. While installing, note the server name and port. These values are required in the next step, when you create a new connection profile in the extension. Now you create a connection profile through the extension. Open the command palette and run MS SQL, connect, then select Create Connection Profile. This saves time later. Enter server name, database, authentication type, and credentials, and include the port if non-standard. Once saved, the extension will attempt to connect. This verifies credentials and network reachability. If it connects, you can run queries in a new SQL file. Make sure integrated security versus SQL auth matches your server configuration. To finish, open a new SQL file, pick your saved connection from the status bar, and execute a simple select to confirm functionality. If you see errors, check the problems or output pane for precise messages, then address the root cause. Common fixes include firewall rules, wrong port, or disabled TCP/IP on the server. If things still fail, restart the SQL Server service and retest. Remember, enabling TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager often resolves unreachable server errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.